Once you have TrendReader JR installed on your computer, you are ready to use your JR2000 data logger. Simply plug the data logger into an open USB port on your computer. Double-click the data file icon when it appears. If you want to access the setup, click Cancel. In this example, we will go to the JR2000 setup. To work with the JR2000, click the top icon. Click to work with data logger. You have a choice now to either download the data from the data logger or go into Adjust Settings and start a new logging session. To adjust settings and start logging, click the lower button. This will start the setup wizard. The first screen shows the current setup of the logger. By clicking Next, you can step through each of the setup screens. You can label the logger, you can give it a channel description, you can control how often it samples, you can make it stop logging when the memory is full, or first in, first out, or wrap mode. There are high and low alarm threshold values. You can set the logger to latch when an alarm occurs, or allow it to reset if the alarm condition rectifies itself. You can choose between spot and average readings. You can enable or disable the LED flashing indicators. Once you have made all of your selections, you can save the settings, clear the logger, and get it ready to start logging by clicking Save Settings. If you want to graph the data the logger has collected, click the Download Data button. The graph will be displayed when the download is complete. The data is saved in the default target directory, Documents. To open a saved graph, click the Open Saved Graph File button. The default Documents target folder will open, allowing you to select the file you want to view. Click Open and the graph is displayed. All ACR product comes with free technical support for the life of the product. Thank you for visiting ACR Systems, and don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel.